Welcome to my channel. My name is Brian and you're watching Historic Machines. In this video we're going to be operating this C-91 chainsaw. This is a pretty good beast of a chainsaw. It weighs 19 pounds without the bar and chain, so it's got a little bit of weight with it. Unlike the new saws of today's world, this thing definitely, you have something when you're running this. This saw has a 26-inch bar on it right now. The saw has a 5.2 cubic inch engine, so it's got some power to it, and it has a great sound to it. That's the thing that I wanted to really capture in this video. Also, this saw was produced from 1964 to 1966. So the only thing older in this shop than this saw is me, because I'm definitely a little older than this saw. So that means this saw has been running or operating for 60 years. Now it spends a lot of time sitting on the shelf, but just think of a saw that's 60 years old and it still runs and it has a great sound to it. So let's go to work and put this thing to use and hear this great sound. One thing that light's kind of known for, in my opinion, is difficult to start. So we'll see how easy this is to start today. Turn it on, set the throttle, pull the chokes. See how many pulls it takes to get this thing started today. Plus this doesn't catch every time. The pawl doesn't catch like that. Now watch it.